I just bought a car for 50 euro, and I'm sure you're wondering why. I'm gonna tell you everything in this video. And the sound of the real metal.
I know what you're thinking. Nick, why? Why you bought this? Okay, it's 50 euro, but it's a piece of crap. It's amazing, I love it. And it's an Auto Bianchi Y10 sell as a Lancia, so I have like a Lancia. I have like a Delta, it's almost the same, almost. Okay, it's not in the best shape ever. I have 31 almost years this car, so it's normal I have a little bit of damage here and there. Yeah, the roof is not the best. It's a bit rusty too. I have some scratch, but I can't let go this beauty. As I said, the cool thing is that we can do everything, like no limit. Because even if I smash in the wall the car, honestly I don't care a lot. It's not the car of my dreams, and it's not a car in the best shape ever that I'll say, oh, I lose money, I can use as a collector. Even inside, you see it as I bought it, so looks like they kill prostitute and use the car to hide them in the fields. But yeah, put a bit of charm to this thing. I decided to don't clean the car, don't touch the car before making the video, because I want to show you how it was when I bought it. And it was amazing. When I saw it, I said, oh, it's her. And they have electric window. Like, how it's possible? I was so excited. Some problem to like move the seats because they come back, but I have to be more delicate. I have a lot of potential. There is everything that is weird, even the back seats. I have things, I don't know what they are. I even discover a bit of mold inside, but everything is more charming like that. It's more interesting. Another fun fact is the speaker are screwed to the door, because probably broke like in the 96, so they screw directly the speaker to the door, and it works not really well. There is no sound at all almost. There is this pink small hanger, I don't know why, but for sure we will keep this. The mirrors are manual, no electric. Fun thing is the trunk lid, the pistons are broken, so come down at the speed of light, and I didn't know that the first time I opened it, so it hit my head faster than a Bugatti. You can see a photo of how I have to film the inside of the trunk. I have a lot of potential. I really think that okay, there is scotch everywhere too. I forgot to say that. You can see it pretty easily. At the moment nothing works. The heat or the buttons doesn't work at all, so I have to check them. There is some movement on the dashboard, but thank God we have the Rosario that protect us. And even when I put down the sun visor, I found this, so we have a double protection. The trunk, as I said, looks like they kill bitches and hide in there. At least I have a medikit. The seats are not bad for be a 30 years old car using for the fields, so I'm impressed how good is inside, even if it's not. We said enough, it's time to test the Auto Bianchi.
So difficult, but everything is with a purpose. For a brilliant future with this amazing machine, this piece of technology. No, but seriously, why I buy this car? I have huge project with this one. Like, oh, we're gonna start like, oh geez, even the, oh fuck. I'm gonna cover this. Okay, obviously it's not the first time that I'm driving this. It's exactly my second time. The first time I drove this was 1 week ago, when I go to pick up the car and I do like 10 meters, seriously, 10 meters, and all switch off. I said, that's not amazing, but yeah, with a 50 bucks car, I can't ask a lot. With just only 38 euro, cables, candles, and all other items that I bought. So cost nothing fixing this car. I turn the key and first turn the car start and go. Like this happened 2 hours ago. So yeah, I'm trying the car and I can say there is a couple of problems. First, handling. Jeez, you don't see, it's not the best. It's like being in a boat more than a car, but it's funny. And suspension, I think, are more than done. Are like done probably 10 years ago, but it's okay. I put a bit of spicy on the project and on the travel that I want to do with it. Yeah, the temperature stay always at 50. That's not a good sign. I think the thermostat is gone, so I have to change that too. Brakes are gone. It's pretty hard to brake. Probably it's better put the foot outside the door and brake with that. That will slow the car more. The wheel is not straight. It's like turn I don't know, 10 degrees on the right to go straight. It's okay. I'm gonna fix that too. The mirrors are good, and yeah, all the dashboard is destroyed. The stick, it's not the best shape ever. There's a lot of stuff in this car that's happening. Every here and then start to sound because I think there is a problem with the lock. I start to open and close the car like non-stop for 30 seconds. At least I have the radio. Yeah, I think I have to buy a new one because it doesn't work really well. It doesn't work at all. Whew. Jeez, I have to put the fourth gear like, ugh! Ah! Oh, jeez. Third gear, I have a little problem because it was like hitting a rock when I put inside the third. Jeez. Okay. The roundabout way. I do another turn to see how the. Oh, jeez. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I put the car on the roof. Okay. It's better if I stop now. Okay. Fuck. Okay. Woo. Okay, I discovered another problem. Like 2 seconds ago, I have almost a full tank. Now it's a third. I don't think the car consumed that much of gas in like 1 kilometer. So yeah, I have to check that too. Why I bought this car? Because I have a dream. Like travel around the world. Around the world, it's a bit much, but travel around, do crazy stuff. I don't know what crazy, but weird stuff. It's better than crazy. Like weird stuff that someone say, that's impossible, or why you want to do that? I want to try. And I thought about, okay, I need a car to do these things because I can't do that with my normal car. I have just that, and I don't want to destroy it because I love my car. So I need a second car. I don't want to spend a lot of money. The less that I can spend, better it is, and have to be a really old car, easy to fix, really cheap, everything. And I find this beauty. Guys, 50 euros. So there is a lot of things to do in this beauty, and my thought was like start a journey together, me and you people. I know nothing about mechanics, and try to fix the car, try to put the car together, modify some item, modify stuff, and put things inside that are not inside, outside that are not outside, and go in journeys like travel here to France, here to Germany, here to Africa. I don't know, like do things. The possibility are multiples and without limit. Sky is the limit. So yeah, I have big things in mind with this car. I want to share that with you, with all of you, like with all the one that appreciate my videos and want to watch weird shit with shitty cars, honestly. So yeah, maybe do a video about try to fixing, I don't know, the thermostat, because surely that have a problem, and the radio and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments if you can like something like that. Yeah, I think I will do that. It's funny. It's funny. I have fun. It's been a long time I don't have that fun with something, and I wasn't that excited about something. People, I'm really open-minded about what to do with this beauty. We will call it Il Bolide. Italian word, guys. I need it with this car. Italian brand. I need it. And comments, let me know what your thoughts. If you have something in mind, I'm seriously open-minded about it. Hope you like the video, and see you surely next time. Bye everyone.